part 2 of our seamless wear. We're going to be focused on cutting. We have our sports bra tacked from Cotton Incorporated. We also have a pair of shorts and some arm sleeves. What we're going to do is we're going to cut along the waistline using the Macpi 730 slitter. The Macpi 730 is a rotary cutter with top and bottom feed rollers. This makes maneuverability really easy, especially around tight curves. The pedal works just like a sewing machine. Heel down raises the feed rollers. Toe down engages the cutting blade and the feed wheels. Letting those rollers do the work and pull in the fabric eliminates a lot of the curling you normally get when you stretch the fabric out and cut it by hand. In the process of making the sports bra, I realized that I did not have the correct trim to go around the armhole and the neck hole. It had the stretch, but it did not have the recovery. So we're going to talk to a local supplier that knows elastic and can knit something down for me. But we still have the biker short and the arm sleeve. Comfort is critical in seamless wear. We want the seam to feel soft and not be noticeable by the wearer. I found this yarn in the warehouse. It had the high bulk softness and stretch I wanted, but was way too heavy to sit on my thread stands. Simet back winder to the rescue, broke that 14-pound yarn package into a more manageable, smaller size. Threaded this into the needle on a 3-thread overlock. Technically a 504 stitch, modified to look like a 505, but as you see when you pull it apart, it looks like a 503. Basic Sewing 101 tells you always sew with the right sides together. We didn't do that in this case. We put wrong sides together, sewed across it, and that's because I want to seam tape it. Most people think of this when they hear seam taping, a rigid, clear material mainly used in outdoor accessories and outerwear to waterproof a seam. The Faitplast mono stretch has a ton of stretch and is very soft. This gives it the ability to be close to the skin or be used on the outside as a decorative finish. Not all seam taping machines are the same. I'm using the Macpi 336.59T, which allows me to dial in the differential feed rate of the Faitplast mono stretch tape along with the feed rate of the fabric I'm seam taping. A few quick tacks later, we have a good looking pair of biker shorts with the coat yarn high grip at the waistband and the Faitplast mono stretch around that seam. We also have the coat yarn high grip around the bicep of the arm sleeve as well.